Hello my dear learners, welcome to my channel. My name is Namita. How are you all? So today's topic is how to remove this fear of speaking in English. You are somewhere scared of speaking in English. You can read English, you can write English, you can even understand English, but when it comes to speaking, you're so scared, you get nervous, you don't know what to say, you just get blank. How to get rid of this fear? For that we have to understand why are we so fearful of speaking. When we are so confident in our own mother tongue, when you speak Hindi, when you speak your native language, you're very comfortable. But when it comes to speaking in English, you become scared. Why is it so? Because you think in your mind, what will the other people say? If you're speaking on a stage, if you're speaking in front of a public or a group or classmates or in your office, giving a presentation, you're scared that other people will judge you. What will they think about you? So that is which is keeping your confidence away. You are always thinking about what if I make a mistake? What will they say? What will they think? They are going to judge me for my English because you believe that your English is not so good. You are not very fluent, so they are going to judge you. Now, I want to tell you something, that these people will keep changing. There will be people in your school who will judge you. There will be people in your college, in your office. So people, the group will keep changing, but the judgment will remain the same. Your relatives, your friends, your family members are going to judge you. They will judge you for the choice of your stream. If you take science, maths, bio, it is great. But if you take commerce, they're going to judge you. And if you take humanities, a lot of judgment will come in front of you. If you go for a normal BA, you're not doing engineering, you're not doing any honors, you just go for a normal BA, they will judge you. They will judge you for the marks you get. They will judge you for the kind of job you pick up. If you have not got a good job in a multinational company, they are going to judge you. They are going to judge you for the choice that you make for marriage, the kind of person you're going to get married to, the boy and girl you've chosen. They are going to judge you. So they are going to judge at every step and every stage of your life. They're going to judge you even after your marriage, that you choose to have only one child. Why don't you have two children? Oh, how come you'll be fine when you don't have a son? You should have two children at least. They are going to judge you forever. They are going to judge you forever. They are even going to judge you for making videos like this. So people don't stop judgment. If we start being scared of their judgments, we won't be able to do anything. It is just English which you are scared of. Do you think a person who speaks very well, who's fluent in English, is not judged for other things? They are judged for so many other things. So even if you become a wonderful speaker, they'll pick up one or the other thing where they are going to judge you. So you will never be free from judgments, mark my word. You will always have people judging you. English is just one area. There are 100 other areas where they will peep in and start pinpointing you. You have to become deaf to their judgments, to their viewpoints, to their perspectives about you. So what to do? If now we know that people are going to judge, what to do? Work on your confidence. It is not your English on which you need to work. It's your confidence which you have to boost. It's your confidence which is keeping you away. Haven't you heard people who don't speak correct English, who are not very good with their grammar, but they speak English fluently without any fear? Why? Because their confidence is not low. Whatever they know of English, whatever words, whatever grammar, even if the sentence is not grammatically correct, they'll speak it with a flow because they are confident. So you just have to work on your confidence. If you can understand English, if you can read, write, understand English, you just have to work on your confidence. So for confidence, the first thing is you have to stop comparing yourself to every other person, your colleague, your friend, your family members, relatives. You have to stop comparing. Everybody is different. We all come from different backgrounds. We all have different roots. There is no comparison. Maybe the people who are speaking very well in English, they come from an English medium background. Their parents had got them admitted into an English medium school. You were in a Hindi medium school, which was not a choice. Your parents put you into that. Maybe They gained their education in a convent school, you were in a government school. How can you compare? They have a very supportive family. They have family where everybody can speak good English, but you come from a background where no one can speak in English. So what is the point comparing? When your situations are not the same, why are you comparing them? Compare apples with apples. Don't compare apple with an orange or grapes or a watermelon. Every fruit is different. So first you have to stop comparing to boost your confidence. The second thing is you have to know your strength. Not speaking good English is your weakness, and you are so much focused on it that you forget that you have 500 more strengths, or at least 1-2 more, which makes you unique, which make you stand out of the crowd. You have to work on your strength. Which are the things which are unique about you? Okay, you cannot speak good English, but you have wonderful mathematical analytical skills. You can easily do calculations. You're so good with it. You are very good with computers. You have wonderful IT knowledge. You are a wonderful singer. You can cook so well, better than anybody, better than people who are into hotel management. You can on your own make wonderful dishes. So work on your strength. What are you good at? This will give you confidence. Then your weakness will become very small, and you will be able to remove all the fear because of that weakness. You would even improve in that area, but you have to work on your strength. Focus on your strength more than your weakness for boosting your confidence. Now, we all have negative people who judge, people who say bad things about us, the friends who are just friends by name, but in reality they never support us, they never stand by us. You have to find people who support you. Be surrounded with positive people, the people who actually value you, who help you in becoming what you truly are, who help you in your growth, not just by being there for some of their benefit, or just because they want to outpour your heart. There are friends who just want to tell you their stories, their life happenings, but are not interested in you. Surround yourself with positive people who motivate you, who boost you, who inspire you to do better. Surround yourself with those kind of people. Now, another thing that you have to do is start trusting yourself. You are so low on your confidence because you have no faith in yourself. You say all the wrong things about yourself. You have no trust in yourself. No, I won't be able to speak well in English because I come from this background. I come from Hindi medium. I do this, do that. Trust yourself. You are magical. We are all born with very special powers. We are just not using them. We are letting it go wasted because of technology, watching TV, spending time on phone, playing games, online shopping, this, that. The moment you work in your favor, you will be able to build your trust, and that's very important. You have to tell yourself that I'm worthy of all the success that I want to achieve. I am going to work on my goals diligently. That's what you have to do. You have to start trusting on yourself, and then along with that you have to work on your self-talk. How you talk to yourself matters a lot. If you are someone who say, I'm such a foolish person, I don't have a sharp mind, I can't do it, I can't speak well in English, I am not confident, I cannot give this presentation, then you won't be able to do it ever. Change your self-talk. Say, I am a good English speaker. I am more confident. I'm worthy of all the success that I want in my life. I am a wonderful person. I am talented. I'm skilled. I can do wonderful things in my life, and I'm going to achieve all my goals. I'm going to fulfill all my dreams. Positive self-talk. This will boost your confidence. Tell yourself all the nice things that you can. Be your own admirer. Be your own best friend. At least you don't say negative things to yourself, because there are so many people already around us who are going to say negative things. You don't be one of them. The final thing I'm telling you is, don't let other people define your worth based on your accomplishments. They should not tell you what you're worthy of. We start looking at ourselves with those spectacles which other people make us wear. If they tell us, no, you cannot do well because your English is not good, no, you will not get promoted. Because you have not done graduation in this particular stream, no, you can't be successful. Because you are like this, you won't do it. Don't let them tell you your worth. You're worthy of every single thing. You just have to do things religiously. Don't look at yourself from other people's perspective. Believe in yourself. Believe in your talents. Believe in your strengths. Stop letting them tell you your worth. You are worthy. You deserve everything that you want in life. And then you will be more confident. Work on all these things and then see how your confidence start rising. So it's not English, it's your confidence which you need to work on. On this note, I'm going to end this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Keep boosting your confidence on your own. Don't depend on others for appreciation, for love, and for your worth. Bye for now.